I really felt like a new person. It was crazy what I was able to do. It was stunning. It was like being in somebody else's body, just in the weight that I could lift, the amount of hours I could then put in, and then how good I still felt when I went home and was able to see my kids and hang out with them and play with them. It's easily the best thing I've ever done in my life. Without getting to NC-17, the sex drive definitely kicks up a lot. You just really, you feel like you're back in your 20s again. It's like taking 15 years. I was in, my mid-30s when I started, and it was like taking 15 years off of the aging process. I mean, what hormone replacement therapy has done for me is, it's not that, okay, now all of a sudden you're a machine, you never have to sleep again, but it adds more value into the hours that you are awake. You notice better quality in your time, and it's just who you are. It sharpens you up, and it just gives you that extra little bit of edge. The industry today is so big when it comes to all these energy drinks and the energy shots and everything goes into it, and people do it because they're just looking for that extra little push. But the thing about something like that is the best product that they have out there, they sell themselves as 5-hour energy. But you do hormone replacement therapy and it's non-stop energy. I mean, it doesn't end after 5 hours. I mean, you do it and it lasts an entire week, and then you do it the next week, and then you just keep going. I mean, that's the amazing thing about it. Everybody is searching for that extra little something just to kind of put them just a little bit higher. And hormone replacement therapy does that. It sustains itself and it stays with you. If you just really want to have more quality in your life, do it. Find a way to do it. Whatever it takes. A lot of people, they spend money on Starbucks, and they spend money on this, they spend money on that. They don't realize how much money they just start throwing away. And if you say, oh, it's just something I just couldn't do, I tell you, it is single-handedly, when it comes to health and nutrition and just adding quality back into my life, it is easily the number one thing that I do in my life. And I would do anything that I had to do to maintain the hormone replacement therapy, because it does. It makes you feel completely different. And not to mention too, I'm not going to downplay it, everybody wants to look good. It did amazing things for my physique, things I could not do on my own and I couldn't sustain just because of my age and where I was, and also just I was never somebody that carried a lot of testosterone with them, the things that you need to be able to maintain that physique.